Hello, friends. Welcome to Feel Good Podcast. Today, we have a very important topic, health.
Yes, everyone wants good health, but many people think it is very hard.
Exactly. They think, I must buy vitamins. I must join a gym. I must spend a lot of money.
But really, good health starts with simple habits.
And today, we will share 5 habits. Very easy, very simple, and you can start today.
That's right, just 5 things. If you follow them, you will feel stronger, happier, and more active.
And don't worry, we will explain everything in easy English.
So, sit back, relax, and let's begin.
Habit number 1, drink water. Simple, right?
Very simple. But many people forget. They drink coffee, tea, soda, even energy drinks, but not enough plain water.
Yes. I remember last year, I was always tired in the afternoon. I thought, maybe I need more coffee.
And what happened?
A friend told me, maybe you are just thirsty. So I started drinking 1 glass of water every hour. And wow, I felt better.
That's amazing. You know, the human body is like 60% water. So when you don't drink enough, everything feels slow. Your brain, your muscles, even your mood.
Listeners, here is a tip. When you wake up in the morning, drink 1 big glass of water. Before coffee, before breakfast.
Yes, it helps your body wake up. It's like giving your body a fresh start.
Some people say, but I forget. Easy solution. Carry a water bottle. When you see it, you remember.
Another tip, if plain water feels boring, add lemon, cucumber, or a little fruit. It tastes fresh.
That's what I do in summer. Cold water with lemon, it feels so good.
So listeners, try it. This week, drink more water. Maybe set a goal, 6 to 8 glasses a day.
Yes, your body will thank you. Okay, habit 2, move your body.
Oh yes, exercise.
Wait, don't be scared. Exercise doesn't mean you must join the gym.
Exactly. Moving your body can be very simple. Walking, stretching, dancing, cleaning the house, all of that counts.
I remember my grandmother. She never went to the gym, but she walked everywhere. And she lived to 92.
Wow, that's proof. Just simple movement every day keeps you healthy. My favorite is dancing. Put on music and just move. 10 minutes and you feel happy.
I like walking after lunch. Even 10 minutes makes me feel light and clear in my mind.
Yes, movement is not only for the body, it's also for the mind. When you move, your brain feels more relaxed.
Listeners, try this. Tomorrow, instead of taking the elevator, use the stairs. Small steps, big difference.
Or, if you sit at a desk all day, stand up every hour. Stretch your arms, walk around. It wakes you up.
Remember, movement is medicine. Habit number 3, eat more fruits and vegetables.
Yes, they are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber.
And they are colorful. You know, people say, eat the rainbow. Different colors give different benefits.
For example, orange carrots are good for your eyes. Green spinach gives you iron and energy. Red tomatoes are good for your heart.
Blueberries help your brain.
Exactly. So the more colors you eat, the healthier you are.
But sometimes people say, vegetables are boring.
True. But you can make them fun. Put vegetables into noodles, rice, or soup. Add fruit to yogurt or oatmeal.
My secret trick is smoothies. I put banana, spinach, and mango in a blender. It tastes sweet, but very healthy.
Yum! I like roasted vegetables, carrots, pumpkin, broccoli. Put them in the oven with a little oil and salt. So delicious.
Listeners, don't think about eating perfectly. Just add one extra fruit or vegetable each day, step by step.
Yes. Health is not about perfection, it's about progress.
Okay, habit 4. Sleep well.
Ah, my favorite habit. Sleep is like free medicine.
Many people don't sleep enough. They stay up late with their phone or computer.
Yes, but adults need about 7 to 8 hours every night.
When you don't sleep, you feel tired, angry, and slow. But with good sleep, your body repairs itself.
I used to check my phone in bed. Then I stayed awake too long. Now, I put my phone away 1 hour before sleep.
That's a great habit. I like to read a book or listen to soft music. It relaxes me.
Some people use meditation or breathing. It helps the brain slow down.
Also, try to sleep at the same time every day. Your body loves routine.
Yes. It's like training your brain. Now it's bedtime.
So, listeners, tonight, try this. Put your phone away, read a little, then sleep early. Tomorrow, you will feel amazing. Our last habit, number 5, stay positive and manage stress.
This one is special because health is not only about the body, it's also about the mind.
Yes, when you are stressed, your body feels it. Your stomach, your heart, even your sleep.
So, what can we do? Small habits. For example, deep breathing. Just 3 slow breaths can calm you.
I like writing 3 good things before bed. Gratitude. It makes me smile.
I talk to a friend. Sharing problems makes them feel lighter.
Or walking in nature. Trees, fresh air, they heal the mind.
Meditation, music, prayer, different things work for different people.
Listeners, remember, a happy mind helps a healthy body.
So, let's review. 5 simple habits. 1. Drink water. 2. Move your body. 3. Eat fruits and vegetables. 4. Sleep well. 5. Stay positive.
That's it. No magic pill, no expensive plan, just small habits.
Start small. Maybe this week, drink more water. Next week, add more vegetables. Slowly, it becomes your lifestyle.
Thank you, friends, for listening. We hope today's conversation helps you live a healthier life.
Remember, health is wealth. Take care of yourself.
See you next time.